Damn, as you can see, we got a blizzard going on. What's up, Dad? We got a blizzard going on. We're about to swing this kettlebell, so let go. Alright, so I'm just in my backyard right now, just getting some kettlebell workouts in. I followed this guy on Instagram. There's so many good fitness Instagrams out there, so many good fitness accounts. Everybody has their own little routines. And as you can see in some of my older vlogs, I actually try to make some of my own workouts and some of my own little routines and stuff like that. I think it's really fun and it really keeps you motivated to just stay into the gym and just keep creating. You know, I'm a creative kind of guy, so I just like making workouts, stuff like that. But yeah, as you can see, I'm out of breath. The kettlebell is some of the best workouts you can do. Some of the best exercises you can add into your workouts, add into your routines. I think it's really valuable just swinging that weight around and really getting a workout, full body workout, full routine of all the different muscles, intricate muscles that, you know, bodybuilding exercises like curls and bench press doesn't really hit, and kettlebells really get to the job. But as you can tell, it's pretty much a blizzard. I think we're supposed to get a foot of snow here in Jersey. So I gotta finish out this workout. Like I said, just trying new things, trying to get some new workouts in, trying to add some stuff to the arsenal. So let's keep working. Like I said, everybody, I'm really trying to get better with the kettlebell, do a lot more, you know, functional fitness, do a lot more, you know, movability, functionability type of exercises and come out with a lot of cool content, cool different exercises that you guys can apply. And I just need to broaden my horizon and gain some knowledge, truthfully. So that's what I'm chasing right now. Just trying to work on my movements, get a little bit stronger, get a little bit more, build my arsenal of exercise and workouts. So hope you guys enjoyed. Smash that like button, drop in the comments, subscribe for more content, stay tuned for more content. Check out my Instagram, I post workouts every once in a while. Check out my podcast, link in the description, and yeah, deuces.